Did you know that between 2007 and 2015, one construction site in South Africa became deadlier than most war zones? The date, August 2011. The location, Medupi Power Station, Limpopo Province. What was supposed to be South Africa's flagship energy project had transformed into a killing field. At 11:45 in the morning, a 40-ton steel beam broke free from a crane 80 meters above ground. The wind was howling at 60 kilometers per hour. The beam didn't just fall, it hunted the workers below in the cooling tower section. 4 construction workers were crushed instantly. This wasn't weather. This wasn't fate. This was construction regulation 18.7.3 being deliberately ignored. Site managers had been pressuring crane operators to work in deadly wind conditions to meet government deadlines. The investigation exposed a horrifying truth. Political pressure to complete the project had created a culture where safety shortcuts became standard practice. Over 8 years, 23 workers died in what investigators called systemic safety protocol collapse. When politics meets physics, workers pay the ultimate price.